Hello everyone, welcome to Grad to Corporate. In today's video, we will discuss an exciting opportunity from Zenskar. The company is hiring for the role of implementation engineer, and this opportunity is suitable for freshers and candidates with up to 2 years of experience. Zenskar is a fast growing SaaS startup that helps the company manage their billing system and subscription data more efficiently. The role offered is implementation engineer and the candidates with 2 years of experience can apply. This is a full-time position, which means you will directly work with the company as a permanent employee. The job location is Bengaluru and the company follows a hybrid work model. Employees are required to work from the office 2 days a week, especially Tuesday and Thursday. The office is located in Indiranagar, Bengaluru, which is one of the main startup and the technology hub in the city. The main focus of this role is to onboard the new customers and migrate their billing data into the Zensa platform. Your job will be is to clean the data, transform it into the correct format and then import it to the system. It also includes helping to configure the customer accounts, billing rules and the pricing structure during the onboarding. Candidate must have a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field. Basic programming knowledge in Python or JavaScript and understanding of SQL database is required. Knowledge of REST API, CSV file, JSON data format, and data processing techniques will also help this role. Some technologies used in this role include the Python, PostgreSQL database, GitHub, and internal API. The salary for this role is 6 to 8 LPA along with ESOPs, health insurance for the family, and a learning budget. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes, and follow all the instruction carefully. Always apply only to the official career portals. I have added the direct official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for daily job updates. All the best for your applications. See you in the next video.